Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you are looking for a coding platform, then you're in the right place. Today we're having a look at Netbeans. We're also having a look at VSCode. We want to know which editor is a better option for you as a developer and how they can actually bring you benefit. Okay, running into Netbeans now, which is a powerful open source IDE. 1996, it seems like that was 100,000 years ago. Humble beginnings. It was started as Zelfie, a college project that would revolutionize development. Running through to 99, their corporate growth, it was acquired by Sun Microsystems and then gaining enterprise backing and resources. Today, an Apache Foundation, now thriving under the Apache stewardship with active community support. Netbeans evolved from network JavaBeans into a comprehensive IDE supporting multiple programming languages, including Java, PHP, C++, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This versatile platform continues to empower developers worldwide with robust open source tools. Some of their key features is their universal compatibility, so it runs seamlessly across Windows, macOS, Linux, and Unix systems, ensuring consistent development experience regardless of the platform that you're using. It also has an extensive plug-in system which allows customization and integration of third-party tools for enhanced functionality. Their intelligent syntax highlighting auto-completion and code templates boost productivity and reduce errors. And they have a GUI builder, so a drag and drop interface which helps designers simplify creations of complex user interfaces with pixel perfect layouts. Now, as the official IDE for Java 8, Netbeans provides powerful code analyzers, advanced refactoring tools, and seamless version control integrations with Git and SVN. System requirements and installation essentials. Right, let's get into it. So, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Are people still using Windows 7? So, it would require an Intel Core i5 or equivalent processor, 2 gig RAM and 4 gig RAM on your 64-bit, and 650 meg free disk space as a minimum. If you're using Mac OS, you'll need a dual core Intel processor, 2.4 gig RAM, and 650 space as well. And Linux, same, Intel Core i5 or equivalent, 2 to 4 gig RAM, and a standard Linux distribution support. Some critical installation notes over here. Java JDK installations is required prior to Netbeans setup to ensure full IDE functionality as well as optimal development experience. These modest system requirements make Netbeans accessible for developers across various hardware configurations, ensuring democratic access to professional-grade development tools. VSCode is an AI coding assistant. It can help you enhance your coding workflow with its AI-powered assistant. It actually streamlines development through intelligent features and natural language conversation. You can see over here we've got a couple features. They're intelligent suggestions. So it actually generates whole blocks of code as you type based on your original existing context. And then also it has style matching. So it analyzes your code base to match your coding style. So it's not just coding, but it's coding like you. Also, it's quite time saving. So it has a suggestions tab, and you can actually just tap it for faster development. And it has quite a vast knowledge. So it's trained on billions of lines of open source code, which is absolutely fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, it is no lie that there's a lot of competition out there. My advice is always to go and check which software platform actually works for your specific use case and put it into a real life scenario and use it. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.